Is red wine good for your heart? Have you ever topped off your glass of wine while saying, "Hey, it's good for my heart," right? The French paradox refers to the notion that drinking wine may explain the relatively low rates of heart disease among the French. Existence of a compound known as polyphenols in red and purple grape and many other fruits, vegetables, and nuts theoretically explains wine's heart-protecting properties. However, the evidence that drinking red wine can help you avoid heart disease is pretty weak. The research showing that people who drink moderate amounts of alcohol have lower rates of heart disease is observational. Such studies can't prove cause and effect. In addition, you'd have to drink 100 to 1,000 glasses of red wine daily to get an amount equivalent to the doses that improve health. Moderate drinking, as 1 drink per day for healthy women and 2 drinks per day for healthy men, is widely considered safe. But to date, the health effects of alcohol have never been tested in the long term. In addition, people who drink wine are more likely to do so as part of a healthy pattern, such as drinking a glass or 2 with a nice meal. Those habits may explain their heart health. So, if you enjoy red wine, be sure to limit yourself to moderate amounts. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.